America's Got Talent performer Nightbirde is suffering from disorienting pain in her cancer battle. However, she is still expecting a miracle. The 30-year-old previously revealed she is weighing just 85 pounds as she continues her brutal fight. America's Got Talent performer Nightbirde revealed she is suffering through disorienting pain in her cancer battle. The singer took to Instagram to share 2 photos of herself, one which has her slightly smiling as she sits on steps. In the second snap, Nightbirde has one arm across herself and has her eyes closed as she still wears a small smile. She also included a lengthy caption, which read, "It's been a while since I have felt fully awake. Pain can be so surreal and disorienting that I often feel like an observer of my own life, and not a participant of it." The star then talked about her dreams, which included singing to the whole world at once, but admits she now has to deal with the reality at hand. Nightbirde, formerly known as Jane Marszewski, wrote, "I thought it would be sparklier than this. I didn't imagine standing before the world with so many bruises. I didn't imagine that in my shining moment I'd be suffering in front of an audience." She added, "I've always expected miracles. I thought the miracle would be that I could skip to the end, spared of pain. I thought the miracle would make me scar-free, brand new. I did get a miracle, just not the one I wanted. I get to look for light and find it. I get to see how much love can endure. I get to walk the journey with thousands of people like me, who can't stop hoping, no matter how hard we try." Plenty of people were quick to praise Nightbirde for her powerful words, including America's Got Talent judge Howie Mandel. He responded, "You are the miracle we all need." Nightbirde has been very open about her fight, even revealing the shocking news of how much weight she has lost. In a previous photo, the vocalist smiled for the camera while holding on to an IV pole, and captured the shot, "Ever seen 85 pounds look so good?" Nightbirde was given a 2% chance of survival after learning that her cancer had spread to her lungs, spine, and liver. The performer announced her exit from the AGT finals on Instagram in August, saying her health had deteriorated. She would then reflect on her experience while starring in the talent competition, saying, "It's so hard for me to not be on the AGT stage for the finals this week. I bet you never saw someone win so hard and lose so hard at the same time. This isn't how the story was supposed to go." The entertainer became an overnight sensation after her incredible audition, with a video of her performance racking up over 30 million views on YouTube. Dear friends, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, share your opinion in the comments and rate it. Thank you.